Hi, me again. I just wanted to go through that final task with you once more, but I only get 15 minutes per video, so I just thought I'd add on a little bit more of what I wanted to say, of just how I really want you to enjoy the piece of music, the dramatic piece of music that is Mars. Think about those different beats, the staccato and the legato. Think about the musical instruments you have around your house. You can play along to his music. You can create your own piece of music with the idea of Mars. So if it was me, I might use some of my claves that I have and think about that. I heard lots of marching, and then we heard other legato parts. I've got this amazing thunder musical instrument that gives me a good legato sound. A tambourine. Or don't forget your pots and pans. You could just use something around the kitchen to make those jingle jangle sounds. I'm not sure why I brought this down. And don't forget that body percussion. Or you can make those smooth sounds as well. I just want you to think about Mars. I don't want you to send anything in. I want you to enjoy it. I don't want you to feel shy. You can move around the club, move around your home, but it could be a collaborative piece. You can get your family involved. Somebody could play the drum, your pots and pan drums. Somebody could do your body percussion. You could create a piece of music together. If you would like to send it in, however, if you're really proud of what you have achieved with your family and you really want to send it in to your teacher to have a look at, you could just attach it to the topic work for this week into Google Classrooms. It's up to you, but enjoy it. Thank you.